Hello friends, today in this video I will share some of the things those motivated me to learn the English language, because without motivation, without any goal, you will not be able to learn the English language. And if you are motivated towards something, if you set your goals and you want to achieve that goal, and for that you will have to go through from different processes. And this was one of the process to learn the English language, because in my previous days in 1999 I was willing to become an artist. So I made contacts with some of producer directors there in my country, and then I started getting chances in some of the stage plays. Then I also did some television plays, and after that I wrote my own scripts, and we recorded those scripts. Those gained a lot of popularity. So I was, whenever I was used to watch the interviews of celebrities on television, and they were speaking in English language. So I thought that if I would be popular, then I will have to speak in English language. So I should prepare myself according to that. So for that reason I was reading the English language books. I was improving my English, and I was reading the spoken language books and improving my language. And in this way I started learning the English language. Otherwise, if you are willing to improve your English language and you don't have any kind of goal, and you want to become fluent in this language, you want to speak this language on advanced level, then it is not possible. Because if you are not dedicated towards the things, then you will not be able to go through the hardships. You will have to face the hardships. So many hurdles would come in your way, and you will have to pass those hurdles. And if you do not have the devotions or destiny to reach, then you will stop on the way and you will quit. To reach on some goals or to achieve some goals, dedication and devotions is necessary. So I think that if you want to speak the English language, if you want to become much fluent in this language, try now and start learning this language. Read the books, listen the videos, watch the videos in English language. I think that first of all you should listen or watch the videos in your native accent, because accent matters a lot. When I was in my previous days watching the videos of American accent or British accent, I was facing the problems while understanding those videos, because the problem was with the accent. I was understanding if there was a subtitle. I was reading and understanding the meanings. But when they were speaking in their own accent, that was the problems. Because when on basic level, when you are starting or beginners, you listen the accent of American or British or other accents, then you will face the problems. I think first of all you should listen the videos of your own accents. You can search on Facebook, you can search on social media the speakers of your own countries, those speak in English language. Those are making videos in English language and uploading on YouTube or on any other platform. You can search those speakers and follow them, subscribe them, and listen the videos of those people. In this way, I think that you will be able to understand the language in better way. Otherwise, if you are a beginner and you are just starting to learn the English language, and you are following those people, their first language is English. Actually, they are masters in their language, because their first language is English. Your first language is not English. Your first language is other You are learning this language as a second language. And if you want to improve yourself, and if you want to speak like those who are speaking in different accents, first of all you should fill your vocabulary with a lot of words. Listen the videos of your native speakers, then listen the videos of different accents. And to fill the vocabulary, I think that whenever you watch any kind of video, or whenever you read any kind of article, you will find the difficult words. I think take them and write down those difficult words in your notebook, then search the meanings of those words and write down in your notebook, and try to memorize their meanings, and try to use them in sentences. If you just memorize the difficult words, then it will be problem for you, because you don't know the use of those words. I think try the use of those words. Use them in different sentences. Make the use of those words. If you make the use of those words, you will be easily understand. You will easily understand the meanings, the theme of the words. I was sometimes whenever I watch videos or read some articles, I see the difficult words, and I search that word meaning, and I try to use that word in sentences. In this way, when we use those words in sentences, then it is easy for us to know about the English language and how we can improve our skills in English language. I think this is a good tip, and you will follow this. Otherwise, as I told you that watch videos in English language, and what knowledge you want to gain. First of all, think that you want to get the knowledge of Islam. You want to get the knowledge of some religions. You want to get the knowledge of I think scientific knowledge or other. Then search those kind of videos on social media, and then watch them, follow them, and in this way you will also gain the knowledge, and you will also improve your English language. Both things. Otherwise, if you watch some extra kind of videos, that will give you the to improve your English language, but you will not get the knowledge. I think do the both things. Get the knowledge and improve your English language. And in this way, I think you will be able to speak a fluent English language. And another thing, that it is not necessary that to speak fastly is the fluent language. Fluent language means that you speak whatever you speak, the others are understanding you, others are following you. If whatever you speak others understand, then it's okay. And if you speak something but others are not able to understand what you are saying, then this is the problem. Fluency means that speak randomly and speak slowly, but your words should be clear, understandable. Hope you find this video useful. Please hit the like button, subscribe button, and right now allow me from this video. In next video I will talk about some other chapters. I Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.